Hello students of class 8, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. It is the biology class and this video is for the health and hygiene and this is part 12. Okay. So in the previous part we discussed about the many parts like cleanliness and hygiene like vaccine, immunization, etc. Today we will start with this how the unhealthy lifestyle and unhealthy habits can affect your health. Okay, so unhealthy habits and lifestyles. Okay, how does it affect your health? So very first, several diseases are occurred by either following an unhealthy lifestyle or getting hooked to bad habits such as smoking, tobacco consumption, alcohol consumption, drug consumptions like taking nicotines, etc. Okay, so the harmful effects are of these particles of these things are very long. So if someone is on it, so like someone is continuing to take these dangerous things, like it can give a prolonged effect to your health. Very fast we are going to discuss about the tobacco consumption. Okay, so tobacco can be of two types. One is smoking tobacco, second is non-smoking tobacco, or second one is chewing tobacco, we can also tell. Okay, so tobacco is consumed by chewing or by smoking them as cigarettes or bidis. The chewing tobacco can lead to oral cancer, the cancer of the throat and the mouth, okay, and also for lung cancer. The smoking leads the irritation of nose and throat, cough, respiratory tract, along with your lungs and many more. As tobacco contains nicotine, its consumption leads to nicotine addiction, which is harmful and it have effect on autonomic nervous system. Like someone who is going to take, who are regularly take these things, they have a habit of them. Okay, so the thing which is present, it is called nicotine. Now the second one is alcohol consumption. Like what is it? Like alcoholic drinks slow down brain activity and weaken its control system when taken in large quantities. So actually doctors prescribe, who have the habits of the alcohol consumption, doctors used to decrease their doses day by day. Okay, from a very fast day, a very sudden morning, doctors can't tell them to stop the alcohol consumption. They decrease the alcohol unit day by day. Okay, so if we took for a prolonged time in a very large amount, it can affect our brain, also the liver. So the third is drug addiction. It is the much more dangerous thing. Okay, so what is it? Narcotics such as cocaine. So I'm going to write cocaine, heroin, marijuana, opium. Such dangerous drugs are very harmful substances that can lead to addiction. Once a person starts consuming drugs, a condition of either physical or physiological dependence is produced, that this person can't live without them. Okay, they have that type of the dependence on it. During physical dependence, the body requires an adequate or a continuous supply of this drug to be effective. This is called the addiction. Okay, people may take drugs to have fun and also for the relief from their boredom, to satisfy the curiosity and in the to escape from the reality and in the pressure of their peers too, peers and friends too. Some drugs can lead to addiction on single use. Just think how much dangerous they are. An overdose of drug can severely depress the central nervous system and respiratory failure, leading to death. The higher dose of these drugs can lead to the death too. Next, fourth, unhealthy lifestyle. Unhealthy lifestyle. So nowadays, daily activities require minimum physical labor. So muscles and body organs are barely exercised. So many of us don't have the regularity of the exercise, that we don't exercise regularly. So it can also have a negative effect on our body. Mainly for this lockdown period, when we are in house, we can't go to the school and for playing outside, so we have to exercise in our house, but we don't. Most people do not exercise and undertake walks to tone their muscles and their body. So it can lead to diseases such as high blood pressure, obesity, heart disease, arthritis, diabetes, etc. So there are about 31705,000 diabetes in India. Just think how much the amount is, which is the highest in the world. In the world, our India has scored the highest in diabetes. So most of them have type 2 diabetes and causes by the inactivity or for the obesity, the type 2 diabetes. It is also a lifestyle disorder. Okay, so the final consumption of fast food. So we all are actually love the fast food, right? We every time whenever we go outside, we want to have some food from the street. We don't think, we know that they are junk food and they are very fast food. They are rich in calories, rich in many sodiums and the sugar, salt, but we just ignore these things. After knowing everything, we used to consume that day after another. Okay, the fast food is term generally used to quickly available foods such as burgers, pizzas, samosas, everything that which are favorite for you. Okay, which are rich in fats and have high calorific value. So it is very dangerous because in a small amount of this fast food that can increase a higher level of calorie in our body, that can actually increase the regular calorie intake of our body. So consumption of such foods from frequently leads to obesity among people. So nowadays this is very important for the children too, because they have the regularity in having this fast food. Okay, so now the child obesity is also a very alarming manner. So in the next video we are going to discuss about the first aid. Till then, thank you.